back on the road, my pretty boy. I love that coat. I love how you swagging right now, bro. Like, you just effortlessly swagging, bro. I love it. I love that for you.
Now you fucking won't. I've been off this perk, off this fucking dope, You come back off 30, such a fucking flow. It's a 42, pushing through the coat. What the fuck? What the fuck? I feel like a hugger, like I'm in the 60s. I can feel the love, it's a pure no cuts.
Alright, we're in Lafayette. Are you ready? Are you ready, stinky boy? I know you're ready. You're ready. Kind of a little ritzy town here. I like ambiance though. It's dope. So we are going to Papillon Quality Gourmet Coffees today. So let's check them out. So I asked somebody where it was. I kind of got lost and I completely screwed up the name. It's Papillon, not Papillon. And this is the entrance. I was about to completely miss it. These pastries are crazy, yo. These are insane. I think I'm about to go with the apple turnover. But these look crazy. That caramel thing right here, oh my god. First sip, Cam. I got the maple spice latte, oat milk. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna give it 6.5 beans out of 10. You know what I mean? The vibe, aesthetic is cool, people cool, but I might have to go back and get another drink because. Let me see. I might bump it up to 7 beans. I'll let you guys know after I drink the whole cup. You know what I mean? Let's try this.
I feel like a hugger, like I'm in the 60s. I can feel the flow.
It's good.
Now you fucking won't.
So a common theme that you're gonna hear me talk about on this channel is meditation and the benefits of it, because it is truly life-changing. It has helped me grow. It has helped me learn about myself. It has helped me learn about life, about others. And once you truly learn how to free yourself from your mind, life opens up in a way that I can try to put into words, but I really can't. And when I started, I would meditate about 3 times a day. Every single day. There wasn't a day where I would miss one of my meditations. And I noticed how peaceful, how calm, how patient, how kind, how understanding I was. And lately, as of, maybe the last 2 years, I've fallen off of meditating on a consistent basis. And I've noticed how dramatically my attitude has changed. I've noticed how reactive I've become, how quick to anger I have became. I just made up a new word. But when you stop doing something, sometimes you can truly see the benefit of having said practice, ritual, whatever it is. And meditation for me is one of those things that is truly a necessity. Because if I'm being 100% honest, I really don't like how I show up in this world when I'm not meditating. So I just wish that I could truly say the right things, say the right words to truly help you understand how beneficial it is, not only on a mental level, on an emotional level, on a physical level. It's good for your health. So many different things, and I encourage you to do your research, try it, start off small. There's a lot of apps that you can use. Calm is a good one. Mindspace is another one. There's a bunch of YouTube channels as well, but meditation is something that I will preach about until the day I die, because it has truly changed my life. Signing out.